Hey everyone, today I'll be sharing with you one of my super favorite cartoon character, Hello Kitty. So let's get cute! Let's start with fondant work. This is pink fondant for the Hello Kitty bow. Use water to stick the fondant. This is yellow fondant for the nose. Black fondant for the eyes and whiskers. Here I have melted white chocolate. Mix it well till it's lump free. This is a geometrical heart-shaped silicone mold. Pour melted chocolate and turn it around so that it coats the base and sides well. Remove the extra and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. Now ready for second coating. Use a spoon and more chocolate and go over the sides. Scrape the sides and refrigerate again. It's unmolding time. Make the sides loose and carefully take off the mold. Wow! Love the heart. Take the chocolate heart and fill it with candies. Place the cardboard over it and turn it upside down. Dab water and stick the eyes, nose, whiskers and the bow. Cutie, Hello Kitty is smashing ready.